Why do your joints crack? Have you ever pondered why your joints pop like that? Negative pressure is created in the joint capsule when a joint is stretched or bent. This causes gases, such as nitrogen in the synovial fluid, to form bubbles that burst, giving rise to the well-known crack. There is no evidence linking chronic knuckle cracking to arthritis, despite what many people think. Excessive cracking, however, might cause joint irritation. It is advisable to seek medical advice if you suffer from discomfort or swelling. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.